Here shines one of the largest real estate property. In this video, we try to explain all the details of this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, category, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, there is a Wi-Fi attractions and landmark also. You find use of reviews and something that are given by the restaurant or guest. Its review rating is 6.8, which is the pleasing. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to using photo ID and check-in. The location of the property is excellent. If guests love to enjoy the surroundings, you can find some rooms are available. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video.